Hey guys, it's Brian here with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We've got a 1998 Dodge Ram 3500 with the Cummins. So 12 valve fans, get excited. What we did was we set this up on some bags. This kit will not change the ride height of the vehicle. We have to put that caveat on there ever since the SEMA builds started looking like Transformers with their 5 to 15 inch kits or whatever they're putting on. So what this is the Firestone Ride Rite system, and this is made to give you a little bit of extra help when you're towing or hauling or anything like that. A lot of times with these lifted trucks, you're going to soften up the suspension a little bit, so it will sag a little bit more, or the sag will be a lot more pronounced since you're up so much higher in the front. So this kit comes with 2 airbags that look a lot like the ones that you see on the back of a semi-truck anytime they're bobtailing or anything like that. These will help give you a little bit of extra float and keep the ride height up when you really load your trailers down or carrying a heavy payload. It also comes with the compressor and the remote control for the interior of the truck so that you can control it straight from your cab. We're big fans of this kit. Firestone Industrial Products makes a very good package. So if you've got any additional questions on this kit, please let us know. This truck did come in with the lift kit already installed and the 35 12.5 20s installed on there. This is a dually, as you can see. But yeah, the owner just wanted a little bit of extra float, make sure he's not sagging nearly as much when he loads this thing down with a heavy trailer. So yeah, if you've got any questions, reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you soon.